Exercise 2.1 question 3. We have to write a binomial with degree 35 and a monomial with degree 100. Binomial means having two terms. Bi means two, that means binomial having two terms. Monomial means having one term, okay, and trinomial means having three terms. So we have to write a binomial with degree 35. And what is the meaning of degree? Here the degree of this equation is 1 because the power for x is 1 here and the power for y is also 1 here. Here the power for x is 1, power for y is 1. So this equation also has the degree 1. Now here we have to write a binomial, means having two terms with the degree 35. So I have written here 3x raised to 35 plus 6. So this is a binomial with degree 35. And we have to write a monomial with degree 100. So 2y is a monomial and it has the degree 100. It's not necessary that always you have to write the same only. You can write anything else. Okay, whatever you wish, you can write binomial or monomial as per your wish. There can be thousands of ways of writing a binomial or a monomial. Now the fourth question is that we have to write the degree of the given polynomials. What is the degree of the given polynomials? 5x cube plus 4x square plus 7x. This is a trinomial because there are three terms, and the highest degree of the variable is, which are the variables here? X cube, x square and x. Which are the constants? 5, 4, 7. So the highest degree of the variables here is 3. So the degree of this polynomial is 3. Now we see the second one, 4 minus y square. Here the variable is y and the constant is 4. The highest degree of the variable is 2. So the degree of this polynomial is 2. Now here 5t minus root 7. Here there are two terms, that means it is a binomial, and obviously it is a polynomial. Any equation which has more than one term is a polynomial. So here the constants are 5 and root 7 and the variable is t. This variable is having no degree. Having no degree means having degree 1. So the degree of this equation is 1. Now the fourth question we see 3x raised to 0. So it's not actually 3x raised to 0. The number is given only 3. Okay. But we need to have the power of any variable to find the degree of that equation, and here only 3 is given. So we put a x here and give it the power 0. X raised to 0 means what? 1. Any variable raised to 0 having the power of 0 is always equal to 1. So 3x raised to 0. So the degree of this polynomial is, this is not a polynomial but this is a monomial. Okay, so degree of this monomial is 0. Now the next question is question 5th, that we have to find out that the given classify the following as linear, quadratic and cubic polynomial. We have to find out which kind of polynomials are these. They are linear polynomials, quadratic polynomials or cubic polynomials. So first of all, let us see what are linear polynomials. Linear polynomials are the polynomials in which the degree of the variable is always 1. Here we see 3x plus 2y. This is a binomial and it has the degree 1. Okay, x has the degree 1 and y also has the degree 1. So here 3x plus 2y. It has degree 1, it also has the degree 1. So this is a linear polynomial. Here we see 4x plus 9. Here also x, the variable, has the degree 1. So this is also a linear polynomial. This example we see 5a plus 3b plus 2c. So here a has degree 1, b also has degree 1 and c also has the degree 1. So this is also a linear polynomial. Now we see the what is quadratic polynomial. In quadratic polynomial the degree of the variable is 2. If I write 3x square plus 2y plus 7, then this is a quadratic polynomial because here the highest degree of the variable is 2. If I write 7x square plus 3, then this is also a quadratic polynomial because the highest degree is 2. If I write 3a square plus 2b square plus 9c square, then this is also a quadratic polynomial because the degree of the variable, highest degree of the variable is 2. If I write 7t square plus 2t plus 3, then this is also a quadratic polynomial because the degree of the variable is 2 here also, highest degree is 2. So we have to see the only highest degree. Okay, having the highest degree 2, that polynomial is a quadratic polynomial. Now let us see what is cubic polynomial. Cubic polynomial. Okay, in cubic polynomial the highest degree is 3, such as if I write 7x cube plus 3x square plus 2x plus 1, then this is a cubic polynomial. There are 4 terms and the highest degree of the variable is 3. So this is a cubic polynomial. If I write 4x cube plus 3x plus 2, then this is also a cubic polynomial. If I write 9t cube plus 2t square, then this is also a cubic polynomial because the highest degree is 3. Okay, so we have seen the linear polynomial, quadratic polynomial and cubic polynomial. Now in the exercise it is given the first question of 5th one, x square plus x. So x square plus x means the highest degree is 2. So this is a quadratic polynomial. Hence you will write down here, it is a quadratic polynomial. Okay, now the second one you see y plus y square plus 4. Here this y has the power 1, the variable which doesn't has any power, that means it has the power 1. This variable has the power 2. Okay, so the highest power of the variable is 2. So this is also a quadratic polynomial. Here you will write down it is a quadratic polynomial. Then third one is 1 plus x. Okay, here x has the power 1, it doesn't has any power, that means it has the power 1, and if it has the power 1, that means it is a linear polynomial. Okay, now the third is over. Fourth one is 3t. Here t is the variable and it is not a polynomial, it is a monomial. Okay, because there is only one term. So this is a monomial and the t is the variable which has no power. Having no power means having 1 as the power. So this is what? This is a linear polynomial or linear monomial, we will say. We will not say any polynomial to this. Okay, then this was the fifth one. Fourth I didn't do, I don't know what it is. Now the sixth one we see r square. Here r is the variable and it has power 2. So this is a quadratic polynomial. If I say 7x cube, the seventh question is given, then this is a cube means cubic polynomial. Okay, so we have to see the highest degree, and you will do this whole exercise 2.1 in your CW copy and submit it to me.